For this final video, we're going to complete the process that we started of trying to convert our CCE into plain CC or CloudCoin. We're going to do that by first going back to MetaMask once more, and believe it or not, we actually have to have a little bit of regular Ethereum in this account here. And we can do this one of two ways. The first way is to go back to the Bitcoin.com exchange and trade for some Ethereum so that we can get some Ethereum in our trading account, and then we can transfer it into our main account. And once it's there, we can do just like what we did in a previous video where we put in the address of our MetaMask account and put it in here, and then we'll put the number of Ethereum that we want to transfer to our MetaMask account. However, this charges a flat fee of 0.03 Ethereum, which right now is over $10. So that is quite a bit. We can get away with paying less than that if we just buy straight from here. There's other ways to get a hold of Ethereum, but I'm going to choose this right here, continue with wire. And so it shows that this is my account code on MetaMask, and it has this so that it knows where to send it. Once I buy it, it will send it into my MetaMask account. Up here, I can put in the amount of Ethereum that I want. I actually don't need more than actually $4 for transfer. So it's not a whole lot. But I'm going to click this box right here, and it says transaction fee $5, network fee $2.78. So again, it's a significant fee. It's a little bit less than what we would get trying to remove it or transfer it from the exchange, but it's still significant nonetheless. But I will click next. And let's submit. Okay, it looks like, well, that took a little bit of time for me, so I skipped forward a little bit. And I was just sent an authentication code to my phone, so I will put that in right here. 348977, authorized transaction. So for this part, I have to go into my bank app on my phone, and if I go under transactions, I actually find just what it says here. It says wire, buy, and then it has a number. It doesn't have this number. It has a different one, and I'm going to put in what I have, 870042. That should be it. We'll hit authorized transaction. Okay. It looks like it was accepted. I can click track transaction if I want to. And it says that it is pending. It will take a little bit of time for it to complete, and once it does, I will be right here. And it looks like it actually has completed, or it's sent my money. And look at this, $3.86. Now, the great thing about CloudCoin is that it actually doesn't charge any fees. We've been charged a bunch of fees throughout these tutorials, and that's just the nature of blockchain. But as we use our CloudCoin wallet and we send money back and forth or use it for transactions, there are absolutely no fees, which is pretty amazing. Now from here, since we have some Ethereum, we're going to want to go right here to this page, rata.tech/ETH/withdraw.php. And within this text box here, we'll put in 400 because we want to convert 400 CCE to 400 CC. Remember, we have 400 CCE there. And now we need to put in the Sky Wallet address that we want our cloud coins to be sent to. Remember in a previous video that I had created this one right here. And I can hit convert. And there we go. All I need to do is sign. And it's showing me what's called a gas fee. This is why we need Ethereum, because we're paying in Ethereum. CloudCoin Ethereum has been sent to your wallet. Well, let's take a look. Having some technical difficulties with my screen recorder, but before that happened, I had continued on through a couple more steps. So I'm going to have to walk you through exactly what I did. First of all, you'll notice that this Sky Wallet is different. I won't go into why I changed that, but the conversion was actually successful. You'll just have to take my word on that. But the 400 CloudCoin Ethereum were converted into 400 CloudCoin. So we had a total of 900 here. So what we want to do for the final step, and like I said, I already did this, so I'm going to show you what it is that I did. I'm going to click up here. I went into the show folders, and I clicked on, I'm just going to click on this top one. I went into CloudCoin Wallet, then into ID, and I opened up my Sky Wallet debit card. And then I went here to this address, rata.tech/ETH/deposit instead of withdrawal.php. And then I went to convert the 400 cloud coins back into CCE. And then I went to MetaMask and copied this account number. And I pasted it in here. And I hit convert. Then I simply entered in my account number or card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number, as well as my Sky Wallet address, which was brettcaudle.skywallet.cc, and I hit pay with CloudCoin. And that's when the 400 CCE showed up right here. And for the final step, in order to get our the CloudCoin Ethereum back into the exchange, is simply to go to CloudCoin Ethereum, account funding. We'll copy this address, go back to MetaMask, and then we will hit send CCE. We'll paste that in. And for this, we'll just hit average. You could pay a little bit more and it'll be transferred a lot faster. This could take you a little bit of time. If you select average, and of course slow will take even longer. And right here, let's put in 400. And actually for me, I'm just going to put in slow and I'll hit next. And let's wait to see what happens. I'll be back here once it transfers. And it looks like it was transferred successfully. We've got 0 CCE here and 400 CloudCoin Ethereum here. So we can, if we wanted to, we could just move this back into our trading account. So congratulations on making it through this series of videos, and welcome to the CloudCoin world.